In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar background colors. Having a personalized look for your calendar can help you visually distinguish between your different schedules or simply just brighten up your digital workspace. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into your address bar. Once the page loads, you should see your calendar interface with all your events and schedules displayed. Now, to change the background color, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of all your calendars organized under the My Calendar section. Next, hover your cursor over the calendar you want to change. You'll notice three vertical dots appear to the right of the calendar's name. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This action will open up a menu with a variety of settings specifically for that calendar. In this menu, you'll see several color options presented in a small grid. Each of these colors corresponds to different background themes you can apply to your calendar. Take a moment to click through these, and you'll see an immediate preview of how they'll look on your calendar events. Select a color that you feel enhances your organization best, or simply the one you find visually appealing. Once you've selected your desired color, click outside the color grid to close the settings menu. Your chosen color has now been applied to that specific calendar. This color will be consistently used to display your events on your calendar, making it easier to differentiate between multiple calendars if you use more than one. Now, if you prefer viewing your calendar in a monthly layout, you can easily change the view to better suit your needs. Head to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a drop-down menu for different calendar views like day, week, month, or year. Click on it and select month to give you an overview of all your events for the current month. This is particularly handy for long-term planning and seeing your color choices in action over the entire month. And there you have it. Changing the background color in Google Calendar is a quick and effective way to personalize your planning experience, whether it's for easy identification, coordinating with team colors, or just adding a bit of fun. Setting colors to suit your preferences can make your schedule look much more organized and aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all the different ways you can customize your Google Calendar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy calendaring!